How to send Discord channel message for updated Jira issues automatically, and these messages will be sent for a specific project only, not for all projects. So what will happen whenever the issue is updated in Jira software, the updation message will be sent automatically to your team on Discord, and in this way your team members will be up to date about every single change happening in your Jira software project. Want to learn how you can also do that? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Jira software and this is my Discord account, and in order to automate this process I will have to firstly build a connection in this Jira and Discord, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send Discord channel message for updated Jira issues for specific project. Okay, now it is asking to select the folders. So I want to create my automation workflow in this main workflow folder, so I have selected the same, clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new changes are happening in my Jira software project, and again not in all projects, in a specific project, this automation should trigger and should send the update details, should send the updates to my Discord team. So that is why I am selecting the same application, that is Discord. Okay, and now the idea here is I am going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect our Jira software with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so first of all I will select the trigger event, that is this configure webhooks, and you will notice a webhook URL along with few set of instructions. Okay, so with the help of this URL only we are going to build this integration, build this connection, and for the same you will have to follow these instructions carefully. Okay, so copying this webhook URL, going back to my Jira software application, now clicking on this settings option. Yes, every instruction is mentioned here that click on this settings, then you'll have to select the system, then go to advanced webhooks. Okay, so let me show you everything step by step. Simply click on this settings option, I'm really sorry, not settings, system option, then you will find the webhook option here. Alright, give me a second. And here you can notice lot of webhooks URL are already available, but I will be creating a new webhook. Alright, so I have clicked on that button. Firstly it is asking to provide a random name, so I will be providing the name something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Alright, it is looking good. Asking for the status, so make sure that you keep the status as enabled only. Asking for the URL, so here exactly I will be pasting this webhook URL which I have got via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have pasted the same. Scrolling down, asking for the description, well it is optional so I am leaving it blank. Asking for the issue related events, well this is the very important section because from here only we are going to decide that what particular update we want to send. So firstly I will be selecting this updated because I want that whenever the issue is getting updated, this automation should trigger or the details should be sent. So I have selected the same, and now it is also asking for the work log, the comment, the entity property, the attachment, and lot of details. So again it is completely up to you. You can select these options as per your requirement. If you want to share the comment details, simply select this updated option, and if you do not want, you can unselect this. Okay, so in this way you will have to select the option, and from here we are going to specify the project name. So assume that there are lot of projects available in your Jira software account, and in every single project there are a lot of issues created, and a lot of team members are also there who constantly do some updations in all the project. Okay, so that is why it is important to specify the project name. Otherwise, what will happen on happening of every single change in your Jira software, you will get a notification which is going to be a little annoying. So yes, we are going to specify it, so you can read the instructions. We are going to add this JQL query. Okay, so simply copy this particular JQL query. I'm really sorry, it is JQL query. I have pasted the same, and in place of this motor head, we are going to provide the project name. Well, currently in my account I have only 2 projects, so both of them are visible. So how about I selected the same? All right, it has selected. And in the issue type also, you can specify that what kind of updation you would like to receive. Okay, so I will be selecting this task, that whenever any changes are happening in the task in this particular project, I should receive the notification. So I have selected the detail. All right, so I am clicking on this create button directly, and you can notice the connection with Pabbly Connect has been successfully created. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice it is still waiting for the response. You can also read the instructions that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means updation in any existing issue. Okay, so let me do the same in front of you. Okay, so here I have 2 projects, so I'm about to open this demo service project. All right, and now I will pick some random issue, random task, and will do the changes, some changes. Okay, issue in Google Sheets trigger. Okay, let me open the same. So how about I firstly change the description. Currently it is saying, hello team, I'm facing an issue in the trigger of Google Sheets app, please check and help. Okay, I would also like to specify something like Google Sheets is having a problem in authorization. All right, and along with this, I'm also adding the link of the forum thread where the people are discussing the same. Okay, give me a second, let me add some random link. So I have added the link, clicking on the save button, and after that I will come back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and wait for the response to receive. And here you can notice the response is received already. Let me show you the details one by one. Here firstly we have this issue updated, we have the time zone also, we have the user display name also, basically who have updated this particular thing. All right, we also have the event type name and other details. Well, currently I'm looking for the summary. Okay, issue field summary. Okay, issue in Google Sheets trigger. Now I will check other details. So here you can find the description. It is now updated. Hello team, I'm facing an issue in the trigger of Google Sheets app. Please check and help. Google Sheets has having a problem in authorization link, and here the link has been captured also. And we have lot of details. You can check all the details, that what updation details you have got in this response. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Jira and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, what will happen, every time someone will do any changes in this specific project, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. And now I was also about to show you this change log. Yes, we have also received that what exactly the changes has been made. So remember, we have changed this string, so we have got the same information here. Also we also have the from string. Well, in from string you can actually find the previous data. Okay, what was the exact description before the updation and this after the updation. Okay, so from this change log you can share the details. Well, it is really an interesting thing. Okay, so moving further, now finally I'm going to share these details with my team. So the application is already selected. Now I'll be selecting the action event, that is the send channel message, clicking on connect, and it will be connected immediately because my Discord account is already logged in a different tab. So it has detected that access. Now the very first thing it is asking for the webhook URL. Okay, so here you can find a lot of channels are already created, so you will have to add the webhook URL of that specific channel in which you want to send the notification. Okay, so I have already opened this Pabbly team, clicking on this arrow button. Here you will find the option of of this server settings. Further, you will find the option of integration, and in this webhook we are going to click on this purple button, basically this blue button, that is new webhook, and finally I'll be providing a random name. Okay, so how about I provide the name something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I hope it is looking good. Asking for the channel, so you can select the channel of your choice. How about I go with this event update, and let me first copy this webhook URL and finally clicking on the save changes button, coming back to the dashboard, and now I will be pasting the same webhook URL. Okay, asking for the message, bot name, bot icon, and this text to speech. Okay, so from here exactly we are going to compose our message, which is going to send to all our teams, that too automatically. So I have already prepared a small message in my notepad. So how about I directly copy and paste the same message here. Hello team. Further, I want that one issue. Okay, give me a second. One issue has got just updated. And here I will add by username. Okay, so yes, I'm going to provide the username who has just updated the issue. So the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy the above details and paste below again and again on every new updation. I'm going to map the above data, which will replace these details automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, so mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the username, the display username. So this is the person who has just updated the issue. So I have mapped the name of that person, and again whatever I am going to map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, but whatever I am providing here manually will remain same. Okay, one issue has just got updated by this admin's Rao, and he has updated the further I want the issue name to be appear automatically. So let me again map the issue name. Well, I remember it was something related to Google Sheets. Alright, so this is the summary, basically the name, that is issue in Google Sheets trigger. Okay, he has updated the issue in Google Sheets trigger. Further, I want that the change log should also appear. So let me search for the same, and I'm adding this string which has got updated. Okay, he has updated the issue this, and the change was okay, and after that I have also mapped this string. Further, I also want to add the type of the issue, so I will be searching for the same, that is issue type. So here we have the changelog item string, we also have changelog items 2, we have this from string, we also have this item field type, field ID, and field description. So here we have the field issue type. Okay, so I have mapped the same, and again this value will be added automatically when our automation will work in real time. I think this much stuff is enough, and my message is looking also good. Okay, so I will end this message something like thanks ABC team. Okay, so currently I have created a basic message with some basic details. Basically whatever the change logs I have received as a response of the trigger step, I have used that data and have added in my message. You can study that response, that data in detail, and fetch out the information and add in your message box, and in this way you will be able to send a lot of things with your team. Basically every time some change will happen in Jira software, it will be sent automatically to your Discord team. Okay, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, the response is received, going back to my Discord application and waiting for the message to be received here, and here you can notice the message is already arrived. Okay, hello team, one issue has just got updated by admin's Rao. Okay, he has updated the issue in Google Sheets. I think I should have added it in the inverted comma. Okay, and the change was hello team, I am facing an issue. Alright, I should also add some hyphen for a better clarity, and at last I have added the type of issue, but I am not really liking the formatting of this message. Okay, so I think I should go back and rearrange my message. Give me a second. First of all, I will be adding it in inverted comma. Alright, so I have tried to correct a basic formatting of my message, and let me tell you this once again, that whatever the change logs you have received as a response, you can add all the change log type here so that your team member will get a better information. Okay, so how about I click on this button once again. Okay, basically your team member will get a complete information, waiting for the response, and once the response will be received, I will again go back. Alright, I'm really sorry, and this this is the message we have got once again. Okay, hello team, one issue has just got updated by this. He has updated the issue in Google Sheets triggered. Now it is looking good and it is now understandable. Okay, and the change was, and here you can notice I have added the whole message. Here's the issue type was this. Okay, thanks ABC team. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. And do you know, in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.